Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a crucial component for many popular Epson printers. The SAGUCFS main board motherboard, specifically the L1800 variant, designed for models like the Epson L800, L805, L1800, R1390, R1800, R2000, 1400, and P400. This isn't just any replacement part, it's the very heart of your printer, and finding a reliable one is absolutely essential for maintaining peak performance and extending the life of your valuable equipment. When a printer starts acting up, especially with power issues, connectivity problems, or inconsistent print quality that can't be traced to printheads or ink, often the main board is the culprit. This SAGUCFS main board offers a direct, high-quality replacement solution. It features a green USB interface board, indicating its modern design and robust connectivity, which is vital for seamless communication between your computer and the printer. Its compatibility spans across a wide range of Epson inkjet and even UV printers, making it a versatile option for many users who rely on these workhorse machines for everything from photo printing to specialized UV applications. One of the most impressive aspects of this particular main board is its broad compatibility. Whether someone is running an L800 for everyday photo prints, an L1800 for larger format work, or even an R1390 for professional output, this SAGUCFS board is engineered to fit right in. This means less hassle trying to source specific boards for different models, and more confidence in a single, well-engineered solution. The manufacturer, SAGUCFS, has clearly focused on delivering a component that meets the demanding specifications of these Epson printers, ensuring that once installed, the printer can return to its original, reliable operation. For anyone who has experienced the frustration of a dead or malfunctioning printer, understanding the value of a quality main board replacement is paramount. This board isn't just about getting the printer to turn on. It's about restoring its full functionality, ensuring accurate color reproduction, consistent paper feeding, and stable communication. It's a critical investment that can save someone from the expense of buying an entirely new printer. The L1800 mainboard variant, in particular, is known for its robust design, handling the complex operations required for high-volume and high-quality printing. While installing such a component does require some technical know-how, for those comfortable with internal printer mechanics, it's a straightforward process that yields significant rewards. This SAGUCFS main board stands out as a top-tier choice for anyone looking to breathe new life into their beloved Epson printer, ensuring it continues to deliver exceptional results for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.